Hi everyone, welcome to SumanTV. My name is Padri. In the last two sessions, we have learned the basic sounds in German and basic expressions in German. So this is our third session. In this session, we are going to learn some more expressions in German. Okay, ఒకసారి sound చూడండి. A, E, O, U. Okay, and CH is K or Sha sound. And E comes in the beginning or in the middle, it is A sound, and E comes at the end, it is A sound. Okay, so these are all the sound so far we have learned. Okay, stick to the sounds. Okay, sounds చాలా important. So రోజు practice చేస్తూ ఉండండి. Over a period of time you'll master over these sounds. So in the second lesson, in the second video, we have learned these basic expressions like how to say good morning, good afternoon, like that. So hallo, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Mittag, guten Abend, gute Nacht, danke, bitte. Clear? Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to say bye. Okay, we know how to say hi and everything, then how to say bye. Then how do we say in English bye? We simply say bye. Bye, sir. Okay. For friends, we don't say even bye. Friend also we don't say. We simply say bye. Okay. But in German, we have two types of saying bye. One is formal and one is informal. So formal means you are saying bye to the people who are like elder to you, like professors, teachers, doctors, or neighbors whom you don't know. So you have to give respect. Even in our mother tongue also, like in Telugu also, we are first time kalsar ankondi, we say meeru, because it's a respect, because we don't know the other person properly. So then we use meeru. Okay, if you know that guy properly and you are informal. So in German we have two types of saying bye. One is formal and one is informal. Now we'll see how to say bye in German. First we'll see the formal one. Now see this one, first one. So this is how we say formal bye. Okay, so there are two parts. The first one is AUF. Okay, and the second part is this. Now try to read this. We learn the sound. This is, what is that sound? And this is U. Okay, but here it is together, A and U. So A and U, you can say it is AU. Okay, AU sound. Okay, so AU is like AU. This is F, fa sound normally. So we say AUF. Okay, AUF. And see here again, this is E sound and this is A sound. Okay, if they come separately, that is the sound. Again, they are coming together, so it is another sound. So AU is AU and IE together, the sound will be like E, long E. Okay, so it is V. So this portion here it is V. So auf, V, and till here we say wieder. Auf, wieder, and this portion we are saying like SEHEN, like sehen. Same, E is A sound. So sehen. So auf, wieder, sehen. Auf, wieder, sehen means bye, formal. Okay, you want to say to the teacher bye, then you can say auf Wiedersehen. Okay, and you are talking to the elders or policeman, doctor, anyone you want to say bye. Auf Wiedersehen. So here we know that S is like which sound? Sa sound. Okay, S is Sa sound. But in German, again we have one more exception. S is like normally Sa sound. Kani S tarvata edaina vowel vaste. How many vowels we have? 5 vowels. So S tarvata agani, egani, egani, ogani, yugani vaste, that S sound, okay, will changes to Za sound. Okay, S tarvata vowel vachinappudu S sound will changes to Za sound. Now see here how we are saying it normally. Sehen. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? ఎస్ తర్వాత ఓవెల్ ఉంది. ఎస్ తర్వాత ఓవెల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దట్ ఎస్ సౌండ్ విల్ చేంజెస్ టు జా సౌండ్. బట్ దిస్ సౌండ్ విల్ బి రిమైనింగ్ సేమ్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ సేయింగ్ సేహెన్ వి సే జేహెన్. సో బై ఫార్మల్ auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. జేహెన్. ఎస్ తర్వాత ఓవెల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఎస్ సౌండ్ అనేది జా సౌండ్లోకి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎస్ తర్వాత కాన్సోనెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎస్ సౌండ్ విల్ బి రిమైనింగ్ సేమ్. దెర్ ఇస్ నో చేంజ్ ఇన్ దట్ వన్. ఎస్ తర్వాత ఓవెల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఓవెల్స్ ఏఐఓయు, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ జా సౌండ్. సో auf wiedersehen, auf wiedersehen by formal. Clear? Next one, informal. So by informal, now see, okay, it is little bit difficult to read, but it's very simple if you know the rule. Now see here the sound THCH or SCH. So whenever you have this combination, you read it like sha sound. See here, this is sh. So THCH or either SCH, it is sh. And here, don't get confused. For example, I said CH is like a ka. Here, don't again this break it. S plus CH is like ka. So don't say ska. Okay, CH is one, fine. SCH is there and TSCH is there. So these are all the different combinations. Don't break it in the middle. So CH, ka or sha. SCH or THCH, it is sh. Now see here, till here how we are reading sh. Plus we know this sound. What is this sound? U. So sha plus u, shu. Clear? But if you see on the u, we have two dots. Okay, so these two dots in German are called umlaut. Okay, so we'll be learning these umlauts in the next session whenever we are doing the alphabets thoroughly. Okay, but if there are two dots, how we read that? So remember, in German, if you have two dots, see in Telugu manam yavat issam kada. Okay, like for example, you say this, we say like Rama, but if you give this Ramya, okay, that ya sound you have to give. So here whenever you have this, okay, two dots, normally we call in German like umlaut. So epudaithe meeku umlaut vastundo akkada you will give the ya sound. Now till here, now what happened, it is shu, sha plus u, shu, then it is ya sound. So shu, shu, and s is like sa sound, so it is shus. Okay, shus. It is same like in English we say like juice, మనం వేసుకునే షూస్, ద సేమ్ వే. ఓకే, షూస్. సో బై ఇన్ఫార్మల్ షూస్, బై ఫార్మల్ auf wiedersehen. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫ్రెండ్కి చెప్తున్నారు బాయ్ చెప్పాలి అంటే షూస్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు క్లాస్లో ఉన్నారు, మీ టీచర్కి చెప్పాలంటే auf wiedersehen. ఓకే, బట్ యూ డోంట్ సే టు ఎనీవన్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం, డోంట్ సే షూస్. ఓకే, బెటర్ టు సే auf wiedersehen. So auf wiedersehen is formal and Schuss is informal. Clear? So but you have to practice the sounds. Okay, so we'll just 1 minute revise fastly. What is biformal? Auf wiedersehen, informal Schuss. So here AU is like OW sound and IE, E sound, and S plus vowel, S followed by any vowel, that S sound will be ja sound. And here TSCH or SCH is like sha sound. And whenever you find these two dots like umlauts, you have to give the extra ya sound. Clear? So these are all the basic expressions. Okay, and most of the sounds we have covered in this one. Okay, the next video we'll be learning some other thing. Till then, bye.